In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add background images in Elementor. So in order to add background images in your Elementor, what you can do is you first need to head over to elementor.com, click on this Get Started option in order to create an account, or click on this Login option if you already have one. Now we need to host Elementor. For that, we will use WordPress. Click on this Get Started right here in order to create an account, or click onto this Login if you already have one. So from in there, once you have created account on both, you can just integrate those two together by adding Elementor as a plugin for WordPress. Now here is my actual page that I have created using the WordPress Elementor. So into this part, in order to add a background image, what we can do is, for example, it needs to pertain to a specific part. If you want to have it as a background on a container, you can click on this container option and drag it right here and go over to style. And then from in there, we have this background option. Click onto this classic. Then choose in here an image that you wish to use as a background. Select that, and as you can see, it shall be added. And you can just change right here the actual image resolution as well as the fit to page option and its actual display size that you would want. Now into this case, I'll head over, and as you can see, it's already been created. But what will happen if I want to have it as a background of my page? In order to do that, you need to head over and click onto this site settings option. And into this, you can see the global colors, typography, images, and likes. Under the settings, you can see the background, so click on this. And you can see the background type. Click onto this classic. Add in here the image that you wish to use. Let's choose in here this one. And as you can see, it's now added. So that's how you add background images in Elementor. I hope this video helped you out.